Picture this: you eat one satisfying meal a day, enjoying your favorite foods without counting calories. Could this be the secret to effortless weight loss and a healthier life? The one meal a day diet, often called OMAD, has sparked curiosity and debate. Some people swear by its transformative effects while others remain skeptical. In a world of fad diets and quick fixes, OMAD stands out for its simplicity. But is it too good to be true? This essay delves into the world of OMAD, exploring its potential benefits and risks. We'll separate fact from fiction and equip you with the knowledge to make informed decisions about your health. OMAD, which stands for one meal a day, falls under the umbrella of intermittent fasting, a dietary approach that cycles between periods of eating and voluntary fasting. This method has gained popularity among those looking to simplify their eating habits and potentially reap health benefits. Unlike other popular methods like the 16-8 method, fasting for 16 hours and eating within an 8-hour window, OMAD takes fasting to a whole new level. Instead of spreading meals throughout the day, OMAD enthusiasts consume all their daily calories in just one meal, typically within a 1-hour window. Advocates of OMAD compress their daily food intake into a single, 1-hour window, effectively fasting for the remaining 23 hours of the day. This approach is believed to offer several benefits, including improved focus and productivity, as the need to plan and prepare multiple meals is eliminated. This extended fasting period is believed to trigger a cascade of metabolic changes, potentially leading to weight loss and other health benefits. For instance, fasting for longer periods can enhance insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, and promote cellular repair processes. While the concept might seem extreme, proponents of OMAD emphasize the flexibility it offers. You can choose any time of the day to have your meal, making it easier to fit into various lifestyles and schedules. Whether you prefer breakfast, lunch, or dinner, OMAD can be tailored to suit your personal preferences. You get to choose when you eat your one meal, tailoring it to your lifestyle and preferences. This flexibility is one of the key reasons why many people find OMAD sustainable in the long term. Additionally, the simplicity of having just one meal a day can reduce the stress and time associated with meal planning and preparation, allowing you to focus on other important aspects of your life. The allure of OMAD lies in its potential to deliver significant weight loss and improve overall health. By drastically reducing your calorie intake, OMAD can push your body into a calorie deficit, forcing it to tap into stored fat reserves for energy. Beyond shedding pounds, OMAD has been linked to improved insulin sensitivity, a key factor in regulating blood sugar levels and potentially reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Furthermore, the extended fasting period associated with OMAD is thought to promote cellular repair processes like autophagy, where your body removes damaged cells, potentially contributing to longevity and disease prevention. While OMAD might sound like a miracle diet, it's crucial to acknowledge the potential risks involved, especially when followed long-term. The restrictive nature of OMAD can make it challenging to consume all the essential nutrients your body needs. The prolonged fasting periods can also lead to intense hunger pangs, cravings, and potential overeating during your 1-hour eating window. This can disrupt your hunger cues and potentially lead to unhealthy eating patterns. Socially, OMAD can pose significant challenges. Skipping meals with friends and family can lead to feelings of isolation and make it difficult to maintain a healthy relationship with food. Section 5. Expert Opinions, Weighing the Evidence on One Meal a Day. The scientific community remains divided on the long-term safety and efficacy of eating one meal a day. While some experts argue that intermittent fasting, including the one meal a day approach, can lead to significant weight loss and improved metabolic health, others caution against potential risks. The debate is ongoing, with both sides presenting compelling arguments and evidence. While some studies suggest potential benefits for weight loss and metabolic health, these are often short-term studies with small sample sizes. For instance, some research indicates that intermittent fasting can help reduce insulin resistance, lower blood sugar levels, and even improve heart health. However, these findings are not universally accepted, and more extensive long-term studies are needed to confirm these benefits. Nutritionists and dietitians often express concerns about the potential for nutritional deficiencies. When consuming only one meal a day, it can be challenging to meet all your nutritional needs, including essential vitamins and minerals. This can lead to deficiencies that may have serious health consequences over time. Additionally, the risk of developing disordered eating patterns is a significant concern. Restrictive diets can sometimes lead to unhealthy relationships with food, including binge eating or an obsession with calorie counting. These behaviors can be detrimental to both physical and mental health. Another critical aspect to consider is the sustainability of such a restrictive diet in the long run. Many people find it difficult to maintain a one-meal-a-day regimen over extended periods. Social situations, work schedules, and personal preferences can all make it challenging to stick to this eating pattern consistently. It's essential to consult with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian before embarking on any extreme dietary changes, like eating one meal a day. They can provide personalized advice based on your individual health status and needs. They can assess your individual health status, identify potential risks, and guide you towards a safe and sustainable approach. This personalized guidance is crucial to ensure that any dietary changes you make are beneficial and do not harm your health in the long run. Section 6. Real Stories, Real Experiences. OMAD through different lenses. The internet is awash with personal anecdotes about OMAD, with individuals sharing their triumphs and tribulations. From blog posts to social media updates, people are eager to share their journeys. Some find OMAD to be a life-changing experience, while others face significant challenges. These stories provide a rich tapestry of experiences that highlight the diverse impacts of this eating pattern. Some people report incredible weight loss, increased energy levels, and improved mental clarity. They often describe a newfound sense of freedom from constant meal planning and calorie counting. For these individuals, OMAD has not only transformed their bodies but also their minds, leading to a more focused and productive lifestyle. They praise OMAD for its simplicity and effectiveness in breaking unhealthy eating habits. By limiting their eating window to just one meal a day, they find it easier to make healthier food choices and avoid the pitfalls of snacking and overeating. This streamlined approach to eating can be particularly appealing for those with busy schedules. However, others share stories of struggling with intense hunger, experiencing energy crashes, and feeling socially isolated. These individuals often find it difficult to maintain their energy levels throughout the day, leading to decreased productivity and mood swings. The social aspect of eating can also be a significant challenge, as they may feel left out during social gatherings that revolve around food. They caution against the restrictive nature of OMAD and its potential to trigger disordered eating patterns. For some, the pressure to consume all their daily calories in one sitting can lead to binge eating or an unhealthy relationship with food. It's important to approach OMAD with a balanced mindset and to listen to one's body to avoid these pitfalls. These contrasting experiences underscore the importance of recognizing that OMAD, like any dietary approach, affects people differently. What works wonders for one person might not be suitable for another. It's crucial to consider individual health needs, lifestyle, and personal preferences when deciding whether OMAD is the right choice. What works wonders for one person might not be suitable for another. Ultimately, the key to any successful dietary approach is finding what aligns best with your unique needs and goals. Whether you choose OMAD or another eating pattern, the most important thing is to prioritize your health and well-being. Section 7. Finding your fit. Is OMAD right for you? Deciding whether to try OMAD is a personal choice that requires careful consideration. If you're generally healthy, have no history of disordered eating, and are looking for a structured approach to weight loss, you might be curious to see how your body responds to OMAD. However, if you have any underlying health conditions, take medication, or have a history of disordered eating, it's crucial to consult with your doctor before making any significant dietary changes. OMAD is not a one-size-fits-all solution, and it's essential to prioritize your health and well-being above all else. Section 8. A word of caution. Prioritizing your health and well-being. The allure of rapid weight loss and quick fixes can be tempting, but it's crucial to approach extreme diets like OMAD with a healthy dose of skepticism. While short-term results might seem appealing, long-term sustainability and potential health risks should be at the forefront of your decision-making. Remember, there's no magic bullet for achieving optimal health. Sustainable lifestyle changes, including a balanced diet, regular physical activity, and stress management techniques, remain the cornerstones of long-term well-being. Section 9. Listen to your body, consult your doctor. Ultimately, the decision to try OMAD rests in your hands. If you choose to embark on this dietary journey, pay close attention to your body's signals. Don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare provider if you experience any adverse effects or have concerns about how OMAD is affecting your health. Your health is your most valuable asset, and making informed, responsible choices is paramount.